Hello friends, we are in the module number 2 and here we are discussing about the metal finishing chapter, and in this session we will be discussing about the decomposition potential and over voltage. And we started the metal finishing chapter and we discussed it till now the what is metal finishing, technological importance is over, as the process of the metal finishing is a electrolysis, right? There are three important factors which governs the rate of the electroplating. Okay, they were polarization, decomposition potential and over voltage. Polarization we discussed in the previous class. Okay, polarization is a decrease in the electrode potential, that is due to the inadequate supply or slow supply of ions from the bulk of the solution towards the electrode surface. Okay, when the diffusion is slow, the electrode is said to be polarized. Fine. The second factor affecting the electrolysis process is a decomposition potential. Let us see what is this decomposition potential. The decomposition potential is defined as the minimum voltage that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process. Okay, in electrolysis process what happens, as there will be a redox reactions will be taking place. Sometimes there will be a formation of new products, and the formed products will be accumulating on the surface of the electrodes. Okay, so that creates some potential which is referred to as back EMF. I think I am clear till here. Okay, during the electrolysis process what happens, some of the products will be obtained and they will be accumulating on the surface of the electrodes, which creates some potential that is called as a back EMF. Fine. And when we are carrying out the electrolysis process, we apply some small amount of current first. Okay, fine. So the current flows in the circuit, electrolysis begins, but immediately it will be stopped. Okay, why is it happening? That is because the back EMF is opposing the process. Okay, the applied voltage is less than the back EMF. Okay, when we increase the current to more than the back EMF, then only the continuous electrolysis process will be begun and will be started continuously. Clear, no? When we increase the voltage more than the back EMF, then only there is a flow of current in the circuit and there will be a continuous process of electrolysis taking place. Clear? So, the decomposition potential is defined as the minimum voltage that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process. Like, for example, when for two electrodes which are dipped in the H2SO4 electrolyte, two platinum electrodes for example, you will apply 1.23 volts of current. Okay, initially current flows but immediately it stops because of the back EMF is more than the applied voltage. When you increase the voltage, then only the continuous electrolysis process will be begun. When you increase the voltage to more than the back EMF. Okay, this is called as a decomposition potential. Okay, and the decomposition potential, now how it can be measured? To measure the decomposition potential, graph should be plotted. Okay, graph of what? Current versus applied voltage. Okay, a graph is plotted and up to the certain stage the flow of current will be very small and thereafter it will be increasing with the increase in potential. Okay, and the plot of current versus applied voltage, okay, it is shown here in the diagram. Like this a graph is to be plotted, and from this we can calculate the decomposition potential of the electrolysis process, right? Okay, and the importance of the decomposition potential is, we will come to know the how much of the current is required for different processes of the electrolysis, and when different ions are there, different metal ions are there, we can calculate which ion is going to deposit first. Okay, the order of deposition can be calculated if you know the decomposition potential of the metal ions. Clear, no? So next topic is over voltage. What is this over voltage? Over voltage is the excess voltage. Okay, the voltage that is applied in a excess than what? Theoretically determined decomposition potential. Okay, decomposition, so over voltage is defined as a excess voltage. Okay, that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process. Fine. For example, we will be referring a manual to do the experiments in laboratory. Like that, theoretically it's given. Okay, if you apply some 1.2 volts of current to carry out the electrolysis process of 2 platinum electrodes in H2SO4. Okay, we can carry out the process like that. But you will apply the 1.23 volts of current. Okay, what is happening? Electrolysis is not taking place. When you increase the current up to 1.7 volts, then only the correct continuous electrolysis process will be beginned. Okay, when you saw the theoretical decomposition potential and started the electrolysis process, it started and stopped immediately. Okay, and so you are applying the excess voltage than the theoretically given decomposition potential. Okay, which is referred to as a over voltage. Okay, so the over voltage is a experimental decomposition potential. Okay, minus the theoretical decomposition potential is called as a over voltage. Okay, for example, in this process of 2 platinum electrodes which are dipped in a H2SO4 solution, theoretically 1.23 volts will be given. Okay, but practically we are applying around 1.68 volts of current. Okay, so the difference, the excess 0.45 volts is there, that is the excess decomposition potential. Fine. Theoretically given as 1.23, but we should suppose to apply until 1.68. Okay, the 0.5 volts of current is there, right? That is the excess voltage. So over voltage is defined as the excess voltage that must be applied to carry out the continuous electrolysis process. Clear, I think? Okay, and the over voltage, it will be varying from electrode to electrode and from gas to gas. Okay, the over voltage of different electrolysis processes will be different. It is not same for all the processes. Okay, and this over voltage will be depending on several factors. Okay, like the nature and physical state of the electrode, and the nature of the substance deposited on the surface of the electrodes. Okay, and also the current density, temperature, okay, and nature of the electrolytes. On all these factors, the over voltage will be depending on. Fine. So the factors affecting the 3 main factors affecting the metal finishing process is over now. So we completed polarization, decomposition potential, and over voltage. Fine. So out of these 3, any 2 will be surely asked. Okay, explain decomposition potential and over voltage, or polarization and over voltage. Okay, 2 topics will be sure here. Very easy. Okay, it will be asked for 3 marks. Okay, each topic will be asked for 3 marks. Out of 3 if you read, 2 will be sure in your exams. Fine. So with this, the over voltage topic is over. Fine. We will be meeting with a new topic. Fine, shortly. Until then, thank you.